There are various types of ceilings where RadSense can be installed at. Once a suitable position has been identified, set up the access to the ceiling appropriately. Before a RadSense device is installed, it is crucial to survey and analyze the ceiling space carefully. Look out for signs of rodent activity, such as rodent droppings, gnaw, paw, or rub marks along possible runways, as well as potential rodent entry points on walls and partitions. You may install one or more devices within a ceiling space if there are numerous potential runways or entry points that require monitoring. The RadSense device should be securely fastened where it cannot be removed easily. The device's antenna should be upright for optimal signal. It should not be tied to a moving or vibrating object, or facing a moving or vibrating object. During or after securing the device in position, please take note of the following: device serial number, approximate location of where device is on the floor plan, direction where device is facing, description of what the device is monitoring, such as pipe, hole, trunking. Place a RadSense sticker on the ceiling panel, visible from the ground, to mark where device has been installed for future need to attend to device.